let me show you guys what I got. I have some grippy mats here, and it comes with a pack of 5. It has a little scraper, and it has a light grip, 2 standard grips, strong grip, and a fabric grip. Then I have another box of accessories, and this one comes with a mat. This one's a small little one, and it has a little pouch full of other accessories. This one comes with a scraper as well, and it has the weeding tools. It comes with 6 technically, or 5, because it has doubles, and some scissors. And what else? What else we got here? So it comes with a couple other stuff. It has an X-Acto knife, a ruler. This one's a small ruler, and then it has the marker attachments for when you're trying to draw something with your Cricut. And lastly, it has some cute little heart paper clips and the pouch. I also got all of these from Amazon, so if anybody wants to check them out, I'll have them linked in my description. These are some dual tip brush pens. It has the thicker part on top and then the thinner one on the bottom. And it came with a little paper cutter. Super helpful. Let's go ahead and unbox her. Alright, so it comes with a marker. We got some instructions, I assume. A little bit of cardstock to try it out. Ooh, some vinyl. More cardstock, I believe. And a marker. And then, ooh, this is the little blade. Mini weeder? Oh, just kidding. It's a mini weeder. It also came with 2 cables. I think one is to plug into the computer, and then one is for the Cricut itself. Next is the light grip mat, which I bought some of these. And here she comes. How do I take it out? Oh my god. We have her. She is beautiful.
Wow.
It's the seashell color. Wow. I'm just going to plug her in. It came with the little plug-in for her and a plug-in for the computer, I believe. So let's go ahead. The farthest that I'm gonna get today with this is just connect it to my computer, and then I'll try cutting some paper, some cardstock next time.
Hello studious. Look at this studious ass food.
Having some trouble choosing which app is the correct app to get onto my computer. So I downloaded the Cricut Design Space with fonts. I'm not sure if it's that one. There's a lot to choose from, I guess. And apparently it's supposed to be free, but this one says start a free trial for 3 days. So I'm really confused on which one to get. And apparently...
What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before.
You have to pay for all of them because this also does not look like the one that I've seen on, well, on the internet, on my research. The one on my phone seems like it's the correct one. It just says Cricut Design Space and that's it. And I can't find that on my computer. So I think I'll download it onto my phone and onto my iPad. And I'll see which one, if I could connect both of those onto my Cricut machine, and then I'll look it up how to connect my computer onto there, unless I have to plug it in. So I'm not really sure. It does come with a plug-in, so I'm not sure if that's the only way that I could connect to it. So this one shows up on my phone, on my tablet as well. This is the exact same one that I got on my phone. Okay, I have created my account. Now let's see what else it says. We're happy you're here. What would you like to do? Set up a Cricut machine, set up a heat press, find the right machine for me. Let's set up a Cricut machine. Continue. I have the Cricut Explore 4. It's waiting to read. It says it may take a few minutes. And I'm assuming it's going to show up here with Bluetooth. Let me make sure my Bluetooth is on. It says to make sure there's nothing behind, clear 10 inches. I'm not going to have mine set up here because this is the dining table. Well, I guess I might. Anyways, plug in Cricut Explore 4 into wall outlet, then power on. Okay, let's go ahead, power on. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow, that sounded bad. Okay, let's press continue. Alright, it gives us an option to start a free trial. I'm just gonna skip that because I don't think you have to pay for it. Now the fun part, it says create your design on canvas. So here's images. Tap the plus button to add here, add this image. Okay. Now add text. Let's write Alicia. Alright, and continue. Make it. Oh my gosh. You just personalized your first design. Now you're ready to make it come to life. So it says to use the vinyl that came in my box. So it has different pieces. I guess one of them is smart vinyl removable, smart vinyl immovable, and Tefronaber smart vinyl.
Estoy agarrando señal, carnal. Aquí les pregunto, ¿qué hubieran hecho ustedes?
Oh, I think that's just different language. No wonder I couldn't read it. So let's just hit continue. Smart vinyl, matless, removable vinyl. This is the removable vinyl. Load material and press load, unload. So this is this little button right here. It's blinking for me to turn it on. So this is the load and unload button. Let's see. Is it supposed to open? So it turns out I'm dumb because I never opened it. This is the open button right here, and it had this little thing, which is why it squeaked earlier. So now we're gonna put this right here, and it says until it reaches the gray rollers. It's happening. Oh my gosh, it's happening.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
We're gonna press unload again, and I think we're able to take it off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And this is what the tablet says. So yeah, it should be right there. I really can't get over how beautiful she looks. I should name her. I don't know what I should name her. You guys should leave me some comments down below to see what I should name her. To our little handy dandy pouch and our accessories. So here's this. This is the one that it came with, but I do have these as well, which is a cute little pack, and they're pink. Comes with some tweezers and 3 different, oh, technically like 6 different tips. Let's just use the mini weeder that it came with. I have a little bit of experience with vinyl just because I used to work at Gen X, and we would print t-shirts and make like little projects like that. So yeah, but I'm gonna cut the paper so that I could save some of the vinyl. So this is what it's supposed to look like right here, and I think it came out pretty good. Obviously it says my name, so let's take it out. So let's cut this right here so that we could reuse it. Ooh, satisfying. and then we're gonna take out the letters. Little label with my name on it, and I'm super excited to make some cake toppers. I will show you guys my first time whenever I make a cake topper. I am going for super simple ones. I don't think I'll do the super exaggerated big 3D ones. I have a lot of steps. I think I'll take a lot of practice to get there, but maybe someday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this unboxing video. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. I am hopefully just going to use it for the simple cake topper designs. I'll put a little inspo picture so you know what I'm talking about here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what kind of video you guys want to see next.